Are you tired of your trend lines not perfectly touching the wicks of your candles? In this short video, I'll show you how to use magnet mode to snap your lines perfectly. First, let's select the trend line on the left-hand side of the screen by clicking on this line. Now that we've done that, let's try and draw a trend line from the high of this candle to the high of another candle. Perfect, but as you can see, it is somewhat inaccurate as I was guessing on where the highs were. Now, if we want to negate this inaccuracy, we can use magnet mode. As you can see, magnet mode is simply just the magnet button on the left-hand side of the screen. Now that we have clicked on it, we can click on the trend line button again, and let's draw another trend line. Let's start at the low of this candle to the low of another one. As you can notice, the trend line is clicking on to different parts of the candle we are selecting. Now, where exactly is it snapping onto? It snaps onto the open, high, low, or close of the candle. Let's do it right here at the low of this candle. Perfect. Now that we've done that, we know with 100% accuracy that our trend line is correct and we're not just guessing. Now, if you don't want to always have the magnet on all the time while you're drawing these trend lines, there's a very simple fix. Hold down Control if you're on Windows or Command if you're on Mac. For example, I don't want magnet mode on while I'm drawing this next trend line, so all I will do is hold down Command and draw it. Now as you can see, it's not selecting anywhere, and there we go. Have a great day, guys.